Simply relax and try to relax. Hi, Mr. Buraot. Hello, something isa. Hi, Kaka. Hi, Reds. It's fine na. Ano, dito mag-its? Hi, Bohan. Hello, guys. How are you? Thanks for the follow. ID number. Hindi ka mag-follow back. Wait lang. Yung kamay ko lang dito. Balik seller. Congrats ulit sa work mo. Hey, Dedok. Follow back ko natin siya. Power! Hi, first. Person. 800 din. Hindi kaya po 800. Ang ando, hindi ako naman ando. Pinalis ko na yung dalawa kasi nantitrip lang yun eh. Pag sa live ko, nagdadalda lang sila. Kaya di ko napapansin, hindi ko mapasok. Tuloy ako natutmala, tuloy ako nakapota. LG. Hi, Jordan. Sorry guys sa aking angle actually. Lobat kasi ako. Hi, Jordan. Thanks for following, Jordan. I already followed you back. Hi, how are you? I'm good. How about you? Ganun talaga yung group namin. Okay. Mahirap. Pero mahirap mo para sa'yo. How are you, Jordan? Minsan may shipment kami. Sorry, Jordan, you can scam me, okay? I know it's a strategy. I don't do transaction at Video. I'm so sorry. Scamin niya pa ako, no? Eme ka, Jordan, hanap ng scam ka, ha? Hi, Boo. Hi, Docs. Hi, Vic. Ay. Okay ng hikab niya. Budget mart yung pinagtrabaho namin. Sino pa yung nagbabantay sa baby mo? Crazy. Mama ko baby yung lola niya. Hi, Joker. Kamusta? Hello, Brian. I'm okay. I'm all goods. I'm fine. Thank you. Minsan nasa ex ko. Okay. Nagko-parenting pala kayo pa-parenting. Hey, Anik. Anik. Hi. Oo, pagod ang angle ko. Good evening. Ay, good evening. Good morning. Good morning here. Where are you from, Anik? I think you're not from Philippines because we have different time zone. Huh? Is it correct? Oh my God, yung boss ko lalim. Where are you from, Anik?